Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: an active Linode account, a payment method, and an SSH key or secure password. Create a new Linode instance now, pick region close to users, choose Ubuntu 22, 04 image, and select the smallest plan that fits your needs. Once done, attach the SSH public key in the setup form or enable password login temporarily. Make sure to name the Linode clearly so you can find it later and enable backups if you want automatic snapshots. Once the Linode is running, grab the public IP and SSH in as root with your key. Update the system immediately to apply security fixes. Use apt update and apt upgrade Y. Create a non-root user, add that user to the sudo group, and disable root SSH access for safety. Then set up UFW, allow SSH, HTTP, and HTTPS, enable the firewall and verify rules. Make sure to install fail2ban and optionally change the SSH port if you want extra obscurity. Deploy your application now. Install Nginx or your preferred web server, database, and runtime. Configure Nginx server blocks to point to your app and test with curl or a browser. Obtain TLS certificates via certbot and verify auto-renewal is active. Once running, enable daily backups, export your database dumps, and set up simple monitoring or alerts. If something goes wrong, check systemtool status, journaltool uservice, and /var/log for errors. Restore from the latest snapshot if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.